Hello, my name's Hayden Schmidt. I'm a technology integration specialist with Alvin Independent School District, and today we're going to take a look at Gimkit and how to create a kit of questions. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm starting at Gimkit, the base screen, what Gimkit calls the hub, and I'm going to click on Gimkit Live, and it's going to bring me into a page that for you the first time you're here may be blank, but you're going to click on the New Kit button in order to create a new set of questions. So let's call this kit name Test Question Bank. I'm going to name this 2 because I think I may already have a test question bank or a test question bank 1 or something similar to that. So we're going to say that is in English. The subject, let's just leave technology, but you can see there are a wide variety of subjects. This is going to be so that others can search kits that you've created later, and we will take a look at how to search other people's kits and use them so that we do not necessarily have to create our own. I'm going to say next after doing that. And then I get to choose a cover photo for mine. I'm going to just pick this picture of the Capitol here. The first time you visit to create, it will highlight the upper left-hand side of your screen where you add questions or where you can create questions with flashcards, or you can use what is called Kit Collab. This is a way to allow students to create questions that you can then approve to be included in a kit. You can add from a question bank, which is to search others, and we will look at that in a bit. Or you can import from a spreadsheet. So if you have created all of your questions and answers in a spreadsheet structure, you can do that in advance and then bring it over here. And I will try to do that with a Google Sheet later so you can see what that looks like. For now, let's take a look at Add Question. And this is what I get. I'm given the choice of a multiple choice or a text input question. Let's go ahead and ask a question. So you can add a photo if you want to add a photo reference to the question. You can add audio to the question. So if you want to read the question, if you are interested in attaching an audio file as part of a reference and asking students to listen to and respond to an audio prompt, that can be included here. I'm going to say, well, and then we'll say, and then perhaps and then let's say I'm going to leave the answer as Virginia. I'm going to say I want to add that question, and here's the first question in my question bank. In order not to beat the point into the ground, I'm not going to add multiple questions, but obviously add question and continuing the process, adding the elements that I want for a question, selecting a correct answer. When I'm finished adding all of the questions that I want to have in a particular kit, all I have to do is say Finish Kit, and it brings me back out here to my kits page, and it shows me the new bank that I've set up, and it is ready to go to be used either live or to be assigned as a homework assignment. I hope that super easy introduction to how to add questions to a kit was useful to you. It's just as obvious as you would expect it to be, and I hope you'll join us for some of the later videos in the series. Thank you.